If you're looking for thrilling action movies to stream on Netflix in 2023, we've got you covered. Get ready to dive into the adrenaline-pumping world of our top 5 picks for the best action movies available on Netflix. So, are you ready to embark on an exhilarating cinematic journey? Let's get started. Please subscribe to show some love. Our first pick is Extraction 2. Extraction 2 is the highly anticipated sequel to the 2020 action film Extraction, which was one of Netflix's most successful films of that year. The film stars Chris Hemsworth as Tyler Rake, a mercenary hired to rescue the kidnapped son of an international crime lord. The sequel picks up where the first film left off, with Rake once again being pulled back into the world of the international black market and armed forces. Overall, Extraction 2 promises to be an intense and action-packed ride, with Hemsworth's incredible performance and stunt work once again taking center stage. Kicking in at number 2 is Heart of Stone. Heart of Stone is an action thriller starring Gal Gadot as a skilled thief and assassin who is recruited by the CIA to steal a valuable artifact from a dangerous arms dealer. As she embarks on her mission, she realizes that there is more at stake than just the artifact, and that she may be the only one who can stop a global threat. With Gadot's captivating performance and intense action sequences, Heart of Stone is one of the most anticipated action movies released on Netflix in 2023. Coming in at number 3 is Yoongi. Please. This Korean action movie takes place in a world where humans have been replaced by cyborgs. The story follows Yoongi, a cyborg who has gained sentience and is on a mission to save humanity from a powerful corporation that seeks to dominate the world. With stunning visuals and exhilarating action sequences, Yoongi is a movie that combines sci-fi and action to deliver a unique and thrilling experience. Rolling in at number 4 is The Women King. Victory. We are the place of freedom. The Women King is a historical action drama that tells the story of 2 African women who must band together to fight against a common enemy. The movie is set in the kingdom of Dahomey in the 18th century, where the 2 women must fight against a French army that has invaded their land. With its strong female leads and epic battle scenes, The Women King is a must-watch for anyone who loves action movies with a strong message. Our last pick is The Last Kingdom. 7 kings must die. We can defeat them. United. The Last Kingdom. 7 Kings Must Die is the latest installment in the popular historical drama series The Last Kingdom. Set in 9th century England, the movie follows the story of Udit of Bevenberg, a Saxon warrior who must defend his homeland against Viking invaders. God wants you to fight. With its epic battle scenes and gripping storyline, The Last Kingdom is a must-watch for fans of historical dramas. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.